My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. This vehicle has done just over 56,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to Bluetooth, menu, vehicle, climate control, navigation, and audio. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that the Picasso has 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.